the City of Darlington would like to welcome Painted Man Concert, which will be held June the 5th at 6 o'clock p.m. till 9 o'clock. It's on a Friday evening downtown on the city square. We've had great concerts this year, holding them all on the city square, and the Painted Man Concert will come down. And this time, we're also adding great cruising for the cars to come in. Any car 2,000 and under from to come in for the car show will be a great turnout and extra events for people to go by and look at, food trucks, and a good time for everybody to sit. We've had wonderful turnouts. We're asking for everybody to spread the word. We've had people come in from out of town to have really enjoyed the concerts also. We welcome visitors from all over to come in and enjoy our beautiful city of Darlington. We'd like to thank the Darlington Area Rec Department for their hard work of getting our splash pad up and running again this year. This is our second annual year for the splash pad. It is on a limited schedule for due to the drought. The state has asked everybody to kind of watch their water usage. It is on a recycle mode to where the very little water loss on that. But it's going to be opened up on Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Thursday, Friday, Saturday is open from 10 in the morning to 8 at night. And then on Sundays from 1 o'clock until 8 at night. And so bring your family out. The other great thing about that is it's free to the public. It's free to anybody from anywhere. Forest, Darlington, Hartsville, Sorrel, Bennettsville, Dillon, Marion, Lake City. Everybody bring your friends and family over and come and enjoy the splash pad. It's right off of Orange Street, right in front of Roses, across from Pigger Whitby in that little block area behind City Hall, right downtown, middle of Darlington there. And a good time for everybody to enjoy. Bring you a chair and so forth to sit down and enjoy watching the kids run and play and have a good time and get wet. Bring them a towel and then stop by somewhere and get them something to eat and enjoy the beautiful scenes and activities of Darlington, South Carolina. So enjoy it. During the summer, it's going to be a hot summer, so enjoy it. Splash pad. Glad to have it. We'd like to thank the American Legion for every year having a memorial service downtown in the city of Darlington. This year they've had one, and it was a good turnout. We would love to see even more people come out and honor that had given their lives and served our country so that you have the freedom to vote and live and like we do in our beautiful United States of America. And so we had a good speaker that came out. He let us give some details. There's 20 officers that had actually died that are from Darlington County over the years. And so it was a good service that day. And we do greatly appreciate the American Legion for coming out and all those that assist and help with that every year. This year, we also had the Garden Club come out on the following 2 days later on Thursday, and they put up a marker. It's called the Blue Star Memorial Marker Dedication. It's right in front of the new Darlington County Courthouse on North Main Street. Beautiful marker, represents the military. So stop by and look at that and share that with your family. All right. But always downtown, the city of Darlington, always got great things going on. All right. The city of Darlington is sponsoring, along with the Chamber of Commerce and a number of other businesses that are helping support this, is Freedom Fest, June the 27th. Okay. For the July 4th. This will be held on June the 27th. It's called Freedom Fest, and there'll be free amusements for all the kids, and we have any charge rides and things for the kids to go down there. And that's being sponsored by some of the businesses around. Petting zoo, vendors, and this time, instead of fireworks, you don't have to scare your dogs off and everybody be nervous for what's going on in the air. This time we're trying out a drone show. It's supposed to be phenomenal. So come out and check it out. It's something totally different. We invite everybody from all the PD area, Florence, Darlington, Hartsville, Sorrel, Bennettsville, Dillon, Marion, Lake City, Columbia, Alaska, anywhere you want to come from. Come by to see us. It's going to be a great time. That'll be that evening. Usually they start the show, between 8 and 9 o'clock later that evening, but it'll be pretty much all day event starting around 4 o'clock. Come in and have a good time for the Freedom Fest, June the 27th, downtown in the city of Darlington.